to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Which is bigger? Is this one the biggest? Or is this one the biggest? Which is bigger?
Biggest!
Great job! That red bear's the biggest, but here's a green one too. What could be inside? Green surprise! Big red shake, shake, shake! Pop! Whoa! Smurfs!
Rear, rear, rear. Which is smaller?
Is this one the smallest? Or is this one the smallest?
Which is smaller? Smallest!
Those two look the same, but that one's smaller. This one's big, and there's a surprise inside! Elsa time! Smallest. Shake, shake, shake! Snow White! Which is bigger? Is this one the biggest? Or is this one the biggest? Which is bigger?
Biggest!
Yeah! 2 spaceships! This one's the biggest! Surprise! Harg! Hee Shake, shake, shake! Pop! Aww! How did you get in there? Hee
Which is smaller?
Is this one the smallest? Or is this one the smallest?
Which is smaller? Smallest!
Magical work! Now for magical surprises. Unicorn! Shake, shake, shake! Hop! Wow, majestic even! Which is bigger? Is this one the biggest? Or is this one the biggest? Which is bigger?
Biggest!
Too cool! Totally awesome! Whee! Amazing fun! Cool! Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.